What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to get any ringtone for free on your jailbroken iDevice. Um, I'm not going to go through all the steps on saying that you need a jailbroken iDevice running iOS 7, all that, because I'm guessing you should already know that you need that. So it's called Ringtones. So I'm gonna get straight into it. So open up Studio. Okay, search for Ringtones, and I recommend getting the one from Apple. It's the latest one, and it's a trusted source, and it's bug free. It's tested. I have it right now. See, it says modify, meaning I have it. Yeah, so you just install that. Respring if it tells you to. Download ringtones on the go, including text/SMS tones, and it is 100% free. Once you've downloaded it, it will be there on your home screen. On Ringtones, and open it. Then you'll have the screen. So, for example, we're top ringtones. I'm going to. Yeah, there are ads. Just close them. They're not. They're harmless. All good. Alright. So this one in the top left, you can press play to preview it. So I'm going to preview it now. So hopefully it loads up because this audio. I'll have a look. It's just loading.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass.
And well, that's a ringtone. So I'm gonna add. You click add to ringtones on the top right. Add there. You see that, and go into manage tones to see all your ringtones. You can also change all the stuff. For example, you just click on it and click on the fourth icon, and you can edit all the information about it. And where it's got the numbers, 30.07S means the ringtone goes for 30 seconds, and you're able to change that by going into it and swiping right, and you can adjust everything. I'm just going to keep it on 30 seconds. So once you've done that, go back into your settings, and go into your sounds, ringtone, or whatever you want, and they'll be on the bottom. So I'm going to show you all of my ringtones at the moment, and the one I've got now, the one that ticked is the one I've got right now. So I'll start from the first one. The phone also...
Because you know I'm all about that bass.
My face above the water. You stupid. You stupid. What's 9 plus 10? You
Fucking whistle.
stupid. You stupid. What's 9 plus 10? You stupid.
Well, that's it, guys. They're my ringtones. So, yeah, it's very good. It's fairly straightforward. It's actually a very good thing to get if you've jailbroken your phone or whatever. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.